My name's Chris, aka C Silly. I've been playing the drums since I was 2 years old, literally. Been beating on my grandma's legs up until I could actually fit on the set and play. I play for Wax Canvas. We've been a band for about 2 years, going on 3 years now next year. I also play in church too. It's literally where I come from. I've been playing in church since I was like 11 years old. Play with the Collision 5ARs. They are pretty good sticks. Love the weight that they have to them. Honestly, I was surprised by the weight that they had, because usually with longer sticks, usually they're gonna get a little lighter towards the top. But these were actually pretty evenly distributed. I definitely want to try more of the sticks, like the regular 5As, and then I also would love for them to have like different colors. I definitely want to try the stealth sticks that they have, but we'll get to that when we get to that. This piece that I'm going to play for you guys is a song that we are going to be coming out with soon. It's called Detox by Wax Canvas. Hope you guys enjoy it. Not gonna play the full song, but we're just gonna play like towards the end of it.